Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. On this heavenly occasion of Vinayaka Chathurthi, we're gonna make a very special modak. And this is coffee flavored chocolate modak. Before starting the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot and click the bell icon to get all the new updates and notifications from our channel, which is completely free. First, into a bowl, add in some cocoa powder, coffee powder, and some milk and make this into a paste. Here I have added 1 tablespoon of dark cocoa powder just to give some color for the modak. Now heat a pan, add in some milk, some ghee and melt it. Once the ghee is melted, add in milk powder, add the cocoa powder mixture, mix it really well and break all the lumps. Now you have to cook this mixture from medium to high heat, whisking continuously and make this into a thick batter. It may take from 10 to 15 minutes. Now transfer this into a greased plate. Spread it and allow it to cool down completely. If you want, you can refrigerate this for a couple of minutes. Once it cools down, add in powdered sugar. Here I have added less than half a cup of powdered sugar. You can add more or less according to the sweetness you need for your modak. And the milk powder I used in this recipe is unsweetened. So if you are using sweetened milk powder, you may need very less powdered sugar. Now take a modak mold and grease it with some ghee. And take small portions of this chocolate mixture and place it on all the petals. You can also add some chopped nuts for an extra crunch. Now close the mold and press it tightly. Now remove the excess from the sides and bottom. Now slowly open the mold and there it is. Our first chocolate modak is ready. To make the mold non-sticky, you can sprinkle some powdered sugar and then place the chocolate mixture. Similarly, make all the modaks. For the filling, instead of chopped nuts, you can add whole nuts, dry fruits, or even chocolate chips will be really tasty. After making all the modaks, you can garnish it with some chopped nuts. Or if you have some silver leaves, you can add some slices of silver leaves on top of this. On these dark chocolate color modaks, silver leaf will look stunning. So try something new and unique on this blissful occasion. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Click the logo to get subscribed to Greypot. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Greypot. Do check it out. Thank you.